Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Adelphi, local and long-distance movers near me. Our professional crew will make sure that all your belongings are fully protected for the journey. Regardless of how far you're relocating, we are here to offer our assistance. Even if you're relocating locally to a new home or office, you still need to pack and unpack all your things and move them to your new place. That's why, to save you time and efforts, consider working with professionals. Our staff at 3 Movers are trained professionals and have a long time experience in this field of work. Our movers are experts in making the moving day enjoyable and stress-free for you. As we are quick to pack and unpack things, no matter how far you're moving locally, we can get you set up in your new home or office in just one day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Adelphi moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.